When it comes to managing income as a freelancer, flexibility, speed, and low fees matter most. Fidor Bank offers one of the most versatile online banking experiences in Europe, and choosing the right account can make a huge difference in how you handle your finances. The best Fidor Bank account for freelancers is the Fidor Smart account, designed specifically for digital professionals, remote workers, and self-employed individuals who need fast, efficient banking with no unnecessary complications. The Fidor Smart account provides a seamless online setup process, no long paperwork, no branch visits, and verification is completed digitally. Once your account is active, you gain immediate access to modern financial tools built around the freelancer lifestyle. You can send and receive international payments in multiple currencies, link your PayPal or business platforms, and track your earnings in real time through the Fidor app or web dashboard. One of its biggest advantages is transparent fee management. Fidor Bank avoids hidden charges common in traditional banks. There are no monthly maintenance fees unless you choose premium add-ons. You get free SEPA transfers and fair international transaction rates, which makes it ideal if your clients pay from across Europe or beyond. The Smart account also integrates with digital wallets and fintech tools like TransferWise, PayPal, and crypto exchanges, allowing freelancers to move funds easily between different payment systems. You can even set up automatic savings goals or allocate funds for taxes directly within the platform, helping you stay financially organized year-round. Security is a top priority. Fidor uses two-factor authentication, advanced encryption, and real-time transaction alerts to keep your account protected. Plus, it's a fully licensed German bank under BaFin supervision, ensuring strong regulatory standards and deposit protection up to €100,000. For freelancers who value community and networking, Fidor's built-in social banking platform is another edge. You can interact with other users, share financial insights, and even earn small bonuses through Fidor Smart Community Rewards. Overall, the Fidor Smart account offers the reliability of traditional banking combined with the innovation of digital finance. It's fast, practical, and built for freelancers who want complete control over their money without unnecessary restrictions.